everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in because today is a very exciting video. We are creating a aluminum foil dress.
It's an aluminum foil dress.
If you want to see more DIYs, glam, designer, all those kind of DIYs, be sure to stay tuned and click that subscribe button down below. I will be up for the challenge on creating some more. Anyway, I love you all so much and continue watching. So you're definitely going to need your E6000 glue and aluminum foil sheets. And I found this sheer skirt on Amazon, which I'll link down below. And this top here was just a regular top that I found in my closet. So as you can see, the before look is pretty basic, but we're going to glam this up. And I decided that I'm going to keep the top off the shoulder because I felt like it looked more chic and cute. Okay, so I already pre-cut my foil so I can create my roses. So we're going to start off with a regular piece of aluminum foil. We're going to fold it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is to create your rose. And then you're going to twist the piece like so, just to create those rose-like edges. This is the easiest way I learned to make a rose. And you kind of want to tuck that in a little bit, because you know how roses have like a middle to them that's circular like that. Then you're just going to want to create your circle by just twisting around. This is how I create my rose. Really simple, really easy, really fast. Okay, so for my bigger roses, I'm going to use a bigger piece. Fold it a few times with the same technique, just using a bigger piece of foil. After you've applied your glue to your aluminum foil roses, I recommend you guys to hang up your skirt just so it'll dry a little bit quicker. Oh my god, yes, yes, yes. Hey everyone, I'm back with the final look. I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I put in a lot of hard work, a lot of trial and error went into this video, into creating this video, because I initially started with a corset that was white and I felt like it wouldn't go with the black skirt. So I kind of looked for a black top that would go perfectly, that will kind of flow with the whole look. And I'm excited. So I finally found one, and you know, it all came together finally. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs to come, and share this video with anyone who you feel like would enjoy watching me create a DIY aluminum foil dress. It's like almost 1 o'clock and my throat is dry. But anyway, I'm here to show you guys the final look. That was the ultimate goal, and I'm here. Dedication all the way. 1 in the morning filming, yes. But anyway, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to stay tuned for more DIYs to come, because your girl has a lot more on the way. So anyway, I love you all so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl is checking out.